What up? It's your guy, Jared 2 Fly, and I'm back with another video. Man, it sounds so weird saying that, since I ain't said it in a long time. But look, I'm on my way to another car meet, and look what I did.
Continue straight.
Peep what I did. I'm trying to be nice to my mom and get her flowers and stuff. But I spilled water all in the back of my car trying to be nice. But it's all good. It's worth it, though. Because she did a lot for me. And I respect that. So, y'all like the flowers? Y'all let me know. But I'll get back to y'all when I get to the car meet. They got the skyline. Boy, it's so hot out here. It's so bright. I can't see nothing I'm recording. Hopefully everything looks good. Purple color on it. Right hand drive. Y'all know that. Got this. Look at the skyline. Just one oh well, goodbye. Although I'll fly. They got a lot of cars. And this right here. Yeah, so YouTube, you're not gonna get me with this one. I didn't want no copyright claim, so I'm just gonna talk over it. Got that little thing from whatchamacallit? Got the Firebird. Oh yeah, we like the Firebird. Firebird. Alright, so we got this thing. We got this thing. Yes, sir. Show you how the little engine, little body. Hey, it's nice. It really is nice. I was asking in that right there, if that wide body come, if it come like that, but I think it do. Yeah, he don't want to race my Mustang. That'd be easy. I think the music is done, so we're about to see. I forgot what I was about to say, but you know. That was a Jeep. I thought that was like a race car. This ends at 9 o'clock, so I'm gonna get a lot of footage, stuff like that. Because as y'all can tell, there's a lot of cars out here. I wouldn't say I know a lot about engines, but that looks like hold on. Go on this side, bro. Pro truck. Okay, yeah, we're gonna leave this right here. I was gonna say I was gonna race it in my Mustang, but you know, I'll let him win because he don't want to race with me. Because I'll obviously beat him. But we ain't gonna talk about that. Got this Viper right here. Yeah. I'll save him for another time for my Mustang. Gotta get out this video. They got all these cars. I gotta go. I gotta go look at my dream car. Got this SRT Hellcat. Gladiator. Big truck. The back of it. Yeah, son.
Was this thing on?
They said they about to start it up. Yeah. Got the wheel lights on. I'm back home, as you can tell, but y'all make sure y'all share the video, like the video, subscribe, comment your favorite part of the video, all that good stuff. And I would say I'm about to start posting more consistently since I graduated. You know. Thank you. Hey, else. But yeah, you know, I graduated, so I'm probably about to start posting more. Cause I don't know it when I go to college and stuff like that. I'm gonna see how all that plays out. But that's for another story. Anyway, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I know I said that already. I'm gonna keep saying it. And yeah, this is my video just saying I'm back. I'm gonna start posting some more. Hopefully, don't hold me accountable if I don't. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Peace.